Guys, nah, it's not happening. It's not happening. Let's just be honest with ourselves. 16 points. We might have cut the gap, but 16 points. Still have 4 games in hand. Do you believe we can cut that gap? I doubt it. Sundowns iphelele bafethu. Sundowns has got a bench, have got a lineup, have got the technical team, have got everything. We don't have everything. Pirates do not have everything. We don't have a quality bench. We don't have a squad is quality. The only thing I can say exciting about Pirates is we are bringing up youngsters. Last night, Umbogazi, it was Nkota, Mfukeng, Kokomelel football. Is that gonna be enough? No, it's not.